Hello everyone. In second unit in state space analysis of control systems, till now we have seen state model using different methods like physical variable method, phase variable method, and canonical variable method. In canonical variable method, I told you cascade decomposition, and parallel decomposition with the repeated roots. Already we have covered state transition matrix and properties of state transition matrix. In this video, we will discuss transfer matrix, or according to EKTU syllabus, topic is relationship between state equations and transfer functions. So before starting a transfer matrix, first we have to know what is a transfer matrix. The matrix relating Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input of state space representation of a control system is known as transfer matrix. The matrix relating Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input of state space representation of a control system is called transfer matrix. Already we have seen state model for a system. We can define a state model for a system according to x dot t equal to axt plus but. Suppose equation first, and y of t equal to cx of t plus du of t. Equation second. First and second combinedly will define a state model for a system. First will define state equation, second will define output equation. Here x of t will define state vector, ut will define input vector, y of t will define output vector. A is a system matrix, B is input coupling matrix, C is output coupling matrix, D is input output coupling matrix or transmission matrix. Already I have told you in a previous video class. Now let us see how we can define a transfer matrix. Let us take a Laplace transform of equation first. So we have s x of s minus x0. This is Laplace of x dot t equal to a x of s plus b u of s. As per definition of transfer function, small x of 0 becomes 0. So we have x of s si minus a, because we cannot subtract matrix A from S. That's why here I am multiplying S with the identity matrix. Offside will remain same as for matrix A. So we have Si minus A equal to Bu of S. So from here x of s is given by Si minus A inverse, because it is matrix, into Bus. Suppose equation third. Now let us define Laplace transform of second equation. third we have from Laplace of first equation. When we will take Laplace of first equation, we have third equation. Let us take Laplace transform of second equation. Laplace of by of t, by of s equal to c x of s plus d u of s. Now here we want to calculate the transfer matrix, and already I have told you transfer matrix means Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input of state space representation of a control system. So here transfer function matrix means ratio of by of s to u of s. So in equation we want to eliminate x of s. Let us put x of s from third equation. So we have by of s equal to c si minus a inverse bus plus dus. So transfer matrix is given by, or transfer function matrix or transfer matrix is given by ratio of by of s to u of s. It is c into si minus a inverse into b plus d. So this is my transfer function or transfer matrix. Here C will define output coupling matrix. From the state model we can put the value of C, Si minus A inverse we can calculate according to A. B input coupling matrix we can define from a state model or from a state equation. D is a transmission matrix or input output coupling matrix. We can define from a state model or from output equation. So here by of s to u of s will define transfer matrix or transfer function. So in according to numerical we can calculate transfer function or a transfer matrix with the help of C Si minus A inverse into B plus D. Thank you. In next video class we will discuss numerical for state transition matrix and transfer function matrix. Thank you.